Hey Forever Dolls, welcome back to my channel. Okay, first of all, before we get into this video, let's take a side note. My hair looks like crap. Yes, I know. I need to redo it. I'm overdue for a hair redo. So don't talk about me, guys. But anyway, first off, I'm going to start by spraying my face with my Mario Rose Water Setting Spray. And this is simply just because I like to hydrate my face before I get ready and prime my face. It just makes it so much smoother and it's refreshing, if you know what I mean. Okay, so pretty much, guys, I'm gonna be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pomade, and the color is Ebony. I'm gonna be using it to do my eyebrows. Basically, what I'm doing right now is just comb my eyebrows up into the direction that they're actually supposed to go. And let me tell y'all, I need to do my eyebrows. I no longer get them waxed. I do them myself because I've recently learned how to prep my eyebrows. So right now they look like crap, you guys, because I've been working so hard lately at work. Anyways, so I'm just basically following the natural line of my eyebrows and just lining them. I outline my eyebrows first and then I go back and I fill them in. This way just works for me. If you guys want to see a updated brow routine, comment down below and put updated. I cannot talk tonight, y'all. Updated brow routine, and I will get that fixed for you guys. Okay, so pretty much I'm going in with my Tarte concealer, Born This Way. And it's the concealer closest to my skin tone that I'm using to clean up my brows. I use a concealer closest to my skin tone so that it just makes it easier when I'm not putting on makeup or anything like that to use a concealer that matches my skin tone so that I don't have to do too much blending if I choose not to wear makeup. So I'm taking a flat-ended brush that I got from Amazon like 2 years ago, y'all. Don't even ask me where it's from because honestly, I don't know like specifically what I typed in to find these brushes. But I'm taking a flat-end brush to just kind of clean up underneath my eyebrows and shape them to the way that I want them to look for this look. Okay, so I'm just going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to spray it with my Mario Rose Water Setting Spray to help the concealer blend down easier on my eye so that it makes it easier to apply eyeshadow on top of it if that's what I choose to do. And let me just tell y'all, my brows have been looking like crap lately, so do not come for me, okay? I'm telling y'all right now, my brows have been looking like crap, but it's okay because the next day I fixed it. Put it like that. Okay, so anyways, I'm going in with my LA Girl concealer in the color Creamy Beige, and I'm going to be using that to prime my lid pretty much. So I'm going to put that on my lid and a little bit underneath my brow bone just to give me like a natural highlighting underneath my brow. I'm going to then also take my beauty blender and I'm going to use that to pat down and make it evenly separated so that I can go ahead and apply powder to make the concealer not cake when I apply my eyeshadow. The powder that I'm going to be using is the LA Girl Pro Powder. I got it from the beauty supply store, you guys. I'm pretty sure you can get it from your local drugstore like CVS or Walgreens. You just have to check it out. It just depends on where you are living. So I'm just going to pat this in with a buffing brush and make the eyelids smooth so that your eyeshadow just goes on seamlessly and it's just, you'll see what I mean. Try it out. So I'm going in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to use this pink shade all the way here at the bottom to start off as my transition color, which is not really like a light color. You don't have to use a light color if you want to, depending on you. I didn't. I wanted to get straight to the point, so I used a darker pink. I'm going in with the Crayon K yarn. I cannot talk. What did I say? I'm going in with the Crayon Case brushes, and let me just say, they are amazing. They are freaking amazing. They blend absolutely magnificent. I love the brushes. So I'm going to start off by blending this into my crease just below my brow bone, and I'm honestly going to take some of the pink up higher into my brow bone so that when I get to finishing my eyeshadow, it just looks like a beautiful transition in my eyeshadow. You know what I mean, y'all. So right now I'm just blending, blending, blending. So the next color that I'm going to take is the second row, the first color, the next darkest pink. I'm going to take that and blend, excuse me, and blend right underneath the pink that I just got through applying to my crease. And this is just deepening the pink so that we can make sure that you really, really see it and it pops. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with the purple, and it's the last column all the way to the end of the palette, and it's the first purple in the palette. I'm going to go ahead with that and take it right on top of that pink just to start deepening my crease to the purple that I wanted to kind of pop with. I don't know what's going on with me, y'all. I cannot talk tonight. I don't know why. I don't know if it's just because I got off work or what. I don't know. I just can't talk tonight. You have to excuse me and just love me forever anyway. So anyways, pretty much I'm just blending the purple into my crease. Like I said, lightly blending it just so I can get that smoky purple effect. Okay, so now you guys see me pretty much going into a darker purple so that we can really see the purple pop in the eyeshadow. The lighter purple was just kind of like a place teller for us to know where to go. So as you can see, we got the purple kind of in the crease. Not too light, not too dark. We're going to go back in with that flat end brush, and I'm going to take the LA Girl concealer in the color Creamy Beige, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. Now, y'all, let me tell y'all how tedious cut creases are. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, so I already have my cut crease cut. I didn't show you guys because it was just a little bit of tedious, like I said. But I did a full cut crease for you guys. So now I'm going to take a flat-ended brush by MAC. By Morphe. A flat-ended brush by Morphe. And I'm going to go in the Morphe palette, and I'm going to take a shimmery purple just to give my eyelid a base so that when my glitter cracks, you see that eyeshadow base and it doesn't look like it cracked at all. Little secret tip for you dolls. Okay, so now I'm going in with the NYX glitter. Honestly, let me see, guys. The name of this specific glitter, well, it has a number. It's GLI06. It's like a mixture of glitters. It's like a silver, but it has like a hint of like pink and blues in there as well. And that's what really made me get it. I liked it, and I was like, oh my god, gotta get. So I'm just going to take this and put it over the crease part where I put that shimmery kind of glitter light. And all we're doing is just packing it on so that it really pops, you know. So I'm just going to take my spoolie, and this is another trick for you guys. A spoolie is really good when you have unwanted glitter in places you just do not want it. Use a spoolie, kind of take it and pick at it or just brush it along where you don't want it at, and I promise it will get it away. So I'm going to go ahead and do my, I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye off camera. As you can see, I did add some white eyeliner to it to just kind of give it a more defined cut crease look. Y'all, again, excuse this hair. Oh my god. So now I'm going in with my e.l.f. primer, and y'all, this is literally the best primer. It makes your skin feel like a baby's butt. I'm now taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the color Amber, and I'm going to be using that for my foundation today. I am almost out, as you guys can see. I need to get some more. I've been saving it so I remember the right color to get. I need to do a makeup haul, you guys, so stay tuned for that. If you guys want to see that, comment makeup haul down below as well. Get it, girl, get it, get it. Okay, so pretty much what I'm going to do now is take that same Mario Rose Water Setting Spray that I used to hydrate my face, and I'm going to spray it on my beauty blender. It just makes it easier for me to blend out my makeup because these lights, you guys, they just make it so hot in here. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm going to be using that to just highlight the key points of my face, which is underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose. Sometimes I do my forehead, sometimes I don't. It just depends. And then I usually do my chin. So as you can see, I'm just blending my concealer out, sharpening the edges of my eyeliner. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and the color Dark to contour my face, which is going to be underneath my highlight, along my forehead, and down my jawline. I'm going to use a stipple brush by e.l.f. You can find it at your local drugstore for just $2 for the black one. It's really great, y'all. And I'm using this to blend out my concealer. I'm going in with the Sasha Buttercup powder. You can get that off of Amazon, you guys. I have not seen it in a store lately, but yeah, this is what I'm using to go in and set my concealer so that we get that nice set yellow undertone look. And the little sponges I'm using, I got from my beauty supply store or my local drugstore, whichever one you find them at. They just seem to me they make them concealer more defined when you're looking to get right directly underneath that crease. As you can see, I switched to my beauty blender to put the rest of my powder on. I just like to use it when I'm doing it underneath my eyes as well as my contour. I'm going in with the LA Colors Contour Palette. I got it from my local beauty supply store, you guys, and I'm going to be using that to contour my face. I normally mix 3 colors together simply because I just cannot find the right shade to get my contour unless I mix all 3. And as you can see, this is just set in the concealer that I put on my face that I use for the darker shade to contour my face. Okay, so now I'm going in with the Tartiest Pro Glow palette. And back in the day, y'all, this used to be my favorite glow palette. I just couldn't get enough of it. So I decided to try it out tonight too. So as you can see, my camera cut off on me like a butthole, but here's the finished look for you guys. If you like my look, go ahead and comment, like, subscribe, and share for a friend to see. And I will see you lovely dolls in my next video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for viewing. Bye!